Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So first of all we will begin with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So let's start by opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display and brightness. Let's tap. As you can see right here we've got the eye comfort, and of course we can turn it on without any customization just by tapping on this switcher here. And as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So as I said, you can just leave it like this, but if you'd like to customize it, just tap on the eye comfort. And as you can see here we've got some options, quite a lot of options actually to customize. So first of all we can decide if we want to keep it turned on or off manually, or we can set it from sunset to sunrise or schedule the time. If we will pick the sunset to sunrise, then your device will simply decide when the sunset and sunrise are, and it will automatically turn this option on or off, or we can schedule it just by tapping on it. You can freely manually pick the start and end time. So just tap on it, and here by swiping you can pick the start time and here the end time. As you can see it works like it, and the screen is still in its normal condition, let's say, with normal colors, of course, because we are not between the start and end time. But let me turn off this option and keep it always on. Under it, in the second section, we've got screen color temperature. So just by using this swipe we can, the switcher actually, we can set it on the coolest option, which is currently applied. So it's not that intense, I would say, but by going to the right we can make it much warmer. I would say it's almost orangish. So of course set it like you want to, just keep the option which is most comfortable for you. I will stick with the warmest one. And under it we've got again another section with display effects. So here we can decide if we want to use the colors or if we want to use black and white. So of course right now we've got the colors. You can just take a look at the switchers. They are with this blue color, but after picking the black and white, as you can see, everything will be displayed only in black, white and gray colors. So it's quite a cool option if you're reading on your device, so it will for sure reduce the eye pain. So of course it's up to you. I think I will stick to the colors. So basically this is the whole customization of this feature, and after that, if you'll have much faster access to it and not going through all of the settings, just unroll the top bar fully, and here we have to find the eye comfort icon, which is right here. If you cannot find it here, no worries, tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and you will be able to find it somewhere here. Just tap on it, hold it and drag it to this first section to have much faster access to it. But let me get back. And as you can see, of course, the eye comfort icon is right now active. So after tapping on it, you can easily turn it off and the screen will get back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.